Hey guys, K26 here, and yeah, the vast sea of, or it's not even a fucking sea, it's just, it's a really big ass lake, that's what it is. I'm gonna go to a beach as I'm walking right now, so yeah, I think there's a security, so I'll like show them a fucking badge or some shit. There's like boats on the water and all that, but yeah, no, I was thinking of having a pretty good fucking time. Just going to the beach by myself, got my towel, and I guess this video, this video is my 10th video, so I guess this is just like a little, it's a race reveal. I'm white. So, yeah, I noticed there's some, like, people, like, driving fucking, like, rental Jeeps and shit like that. People with, like, big-ass boats. I'm going to completely disregard my fucking traffic laws. Alright.
Perfect, thank you.
No problem. Oh, fuck. Alright. Harbor's Landing, bitch. So probably only gonna be here for like about like an hour or like half an hour or something like that. I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna go to the left this time. I usually don't. Actually, no. The left looks horrible. But yeah, go through like all these fucking people. There's like 100% white people here. This is like a private fucking beach. There's like the water. There's a whole bunch of old people, a whole bunch of white girls. There's like rocks and shit on the floor. So I guess I'm just gonna like wave my fucking towel on somewhere. Bro, imagine reading a fucking book. The bitch was just sitting on the seat, fucking reading. Who the fuck reads? But yeah, there's that fucking lake. It's beautiful, isn't it? Oh, here's some like rich people house. I don't know who the hell lives here, but I'll just say that they're lucky. There's shoes over here. I'm wearing a hat right now. Here, I'll take it off. It's kind of like a little cowboy hat. Whatever. None of my hair is my face. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna put my towel like really fucking close to this beach. So, yeah. Here. This shit's like long. It's kind of hard to do this while like holding my damn camera. But, damn, that is a small ass towel, but it will do. For real, this looks like some shit out of like Bikini Bottom. These rocks are hot. I have to like put down rocks so the towel won't like blow away or some shit. Here, I gotta put out the corner of this thing. Boom. Here. Put out the other side. There we go. Alright. Rock 3. Boom. And last, but definitely not the least, rock 4. Just kidding, this rock fucking sucks. I'll throw that shit into the sea. Go find a better rock. Oh my god. Fuck. This shit looks straight out of Bikini Bottom. Like, I feel like I'm in a fucking SpongeBob episode right now. Like, this is kind of wild. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I haven't really seen, like, this lake in a long ass time. So yeah. Well, I got, here, let me just put my shit down. I got my phone. I'm gonna take my shoes off. Alright. I got my my beach pass. And put that shit right there. And I got a can of Arnold Palmer. Because why the fuck not? And then I'm gonna put my hat down. My hair is kind of messy, but whatever. But yeah, holy shit, I can barely see what's like through this camera, but whatever. So yeah, I guess I'm just going to just take my fucking clothes off and put on a fucking swimsuit. Okay, so I just realized that my swimsuit is like way too fucking tight. Well, it's not really that tight, I'm just exaggerating, but yeah, time to go into the fucking water, I guess. See how warm or how cold it is. Alright, it's already starting to feel pretty cold, and holy fuck. Oh fuck. Oh god, oh fuck. Ooh, fuck, it's cold. Alright, okay. I think the water's only like 60 degrees, but that is still pretty damn cold. I'm just gonna like slowly fucking creep up into this water. My fucking knees. Okay. The people that are like furthest away from shore are like fucking, they have like a magical fucking carpet on the water. Fucking rich white people. Oh shit, is this wave gonna be big or no? Alright, no. Oh fuck. Alright, this one's big. Oh shit. Okay, I'm just gonna edge slowly towards. Alright, my knees are in here. So yeah. This is kind of surreal. There's the fucking buoy. But yeah. The water looks like Africa water. It's kind of brown. Well, it's not really brown. It's actually more green. But, yeah, I'm surprised. I'm in the US of A right now, and I didn't really think that the quality would be this low. So, yeah. I'm pretty sure it's like sandbar somewhere out there. But, that is fucking horrifying. Like, going that far out in this cold water. And I'm pretty sure I can like drown from the shock of this water. So yeah. Alright. My thighs are in the water right now. Ah, fuck. My dick. Ow. Ah, fuck. The cold water. Oh, fuck. Alright, you're about to hear a K26 war cry happening right now. Oh, fuck. There's a big wave. Oh shit. Oh, SOS. SOS. I'm about to fucking die from my dick freezing off. It's just gonna fall off. It's gonna like float up in the water. Oh shit. There's just some like random ass boat over there. I don't know why. But yeah, whatever. I'm on my tiptoes right now. Oh god, ew, now it's touching my stomach. Oh fuck. Alright, it feels horrible. I'm just gonna like take a plunge and you guys are gonna hear me scream. Scream. You're gonna make me scream bloody fucking murder. Alright? Alright, 3, 2, fuck you. Oh, shit. Oh, I got water on my camera. Whatever. Just shake the water off. It'll still work. Yeah. I guess I'm gonna go. See you guys. I've had a horrible fucking experience, and K26 out. Hope my shit doesn't get stolen. Bye-bye. Bro, what if I like mention my name like it's some fucking jackass stunt? My name is K26. And I'm gonna be playing Clash Royale in the middle of the fucking ocean. Why? Because I can, bitch. Alright. I think my finger's covering the camera. I can barely see my fucking screen. Alright. What do I have? Fucking. Alright, dark print. Fuck you! Electro died, bitch ass. Fuck. Oh, fuck, there's a wave coming in. Valkyrie, bitch. I'm gonna do like a mini pecker or some gay shit like that. Fuck you. This fucker. 3 Musketeers? What the fuck is wrong with you? Alright, to prove that I'm in the middle of the ocean, I'm gonna turn around. See? I'm in the middle of the fucking ocean. What the fuck? No, this is bad. Come on, Magnite, bitch. Go. I better not lose this fucking game.
Montage.
See that? Holy fuckamole, and I got a magic chest. What the fuck? Alright. Yep, okay, that's the end of my fucking stunt. K26, out!